Hi there, this is Chris Searles, and I just want to give you quick context for this video. As you can see in these snapshots from March 15th, our site area appears to be capable of creating a jet stream in its own right. In this case, we pulled in smoke on a fire over near Fredericksburg, Texas. And since seeing that powerful response, I have been doing the sponge stimulation watering specifically to try and get rain. I've been successful 4 times out of 5, starting Saturday, May 22nd, and getting rain the first attempt on Sunday, May 23rd. Again, Wednesday, March 26th, the second try. Again, Sunday, March 30th, the third try. Not on Tuesday, April 1st, the fourth try, but then again yesterday on Wednesday, April 2nd. 4 out of 5 tries. Water your trees is what this comes down to. It's an incredibly beneficial power to move moisture over large landscapes. And I will be making instructional videos as soon as possible to show the real steps and variations inside of those steps so that you can do this too exactly the way I do it, and we can all become rainmakers. That's enough said. Hope you enjoy watching this video about our 4th uncanny rain attracted to these sites during the spring of 2025. Incredible. All right. Good morning. We got something going here. I went out and did stimulation right around the time the sun came up, real lightly. We'll walk down there in one sec. And now we have it spritzing around. It was about maybe 30 minutes ago, not long. And what I did simply was put a good amount of water back onto this trunk because I propped up these branches today. I decided to do that just for the day so I can get through here again a little easier. And same with these trees, all through here. They just got a little drenching on their trunks. All of these good babies. Especially the damaged ones. It's just horrific what happened here in the ice storm. That one back there. And then I put out 4 buckets. You know, I did 15 minutes, something like that, of watering. These 4 buckets, you can see the 4th one over there. And walked away. And this is almost reminiscent of what took place Sunday morning. That's what I was hoping to see if I could trigger or something similar to that. Of course, this time I didn't make as many notes as I did when I was trying yesterday. But I kind of had a better sense of what I was operating with today. Yesterday I was just kind of flinging water. And it appears to be more effective. I slowed down the water coming out of the hose, and so that made the spray more like a little more of a gentle morning approach to the trees, which felt more effective. It looks and feels like it's building right now. I just got water on my hand. Of most trees, so. But I assume the major factors now are how influential the wind is on moisture circulation. That's clearly kicking up. It's getting chilly out here. Just really good. And it costs probably 40 gallons, something like that, of water today. Looks really big over there. Last thing I'll say is that yesterday there wasn't any rain nearby. Today there is. It's up near Colleen-ish again. And we had that on Sunday on our side. I think we're gonna get it. I think it's gonna pitter pat here in a minute. We'll see. We're getting dats, not even dits yet, but dats, which is like effervescence on the top of your lip, you know. Very light. Not showing up on the radar, but the whole region, holy cow. From San Antonio to Ottawa is now connected with a moisture stream in the air. And it's the only one on the two continents, North and South America. And it keeps happening, you know. Okay, at 10:15, something magical just shifted and pressure change or something. And so I'm sure we're getting rain now in terms of my experience. Maybe in 15 to 45 minutes, but yeah, I just had a little feeling. It's a physical feeling. It's 10:30 a.m. Incredible. Smells really different. More marine-ish. You can see light rainfall there. It's just coming down super gently. What I did not know is that there's a huge precipitation. I joked about it going up to Ottawa. It goes all the way up to the Great Lakes, this stream that we're part of now. Huge precipitation nightmare for a lot of people, apparently. Floods are coming today. But this is good news. This stretches out some of that. This pulls it away, thins it, disperses the moisture more back across the country like it's supposed to be. It's globbing up the droughts and the rains and the tornado winds. And the way to unravel that, undo that, is to hydrate the forests and the trees, water, trees, and forests. Believe it or not, y'all, when I got up this morning, I said, if think we could get rain if we do a few things. And so I did those things again. It's the 5th time I've thought that, and the 4th time we've gotten it. In around 10 days, 2 weeks. It's pretty spectacular. I'm so grateful and blown away. It is now 11 a.m. It's just the rainforest again. Around here, I cannot believe it. I'm so happy to see it. I don't know what to say. Still dripping, still gray, still gonna be circulating when the day warms up. Probably rain again a little bit because it's so wet right now. Look at, you see the drops on these. Yeah, it's still raining lightly right now. It's rainforest raining, transpiration rain. So, ideal. Now at about 12:15 p.m. we are still getting now dits and dats. And yeah, the forecast says this is it. The clouds say probably so, but maybe not. The southern clouds are very white here. Those are probably where we're getting the moisture from. The overhead clouds are nice and gray. So I bet this will be the tamping down, but it could spark back up, and it is rain again. I can see it now. If I can capture it. It is falling.